Wow, what happened in June? We're going to tell you all about it right after this. Metro Vancouver's housing market sets a steady, calmer pace this summer season. While still elevated, home sales and listing activity in Metro Vancouver has eased back from the record-setting pace seen in March of April of this year. The Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, REBGV, reports that residential home sales in the region totaled 3,762 in June of 2021, which is a 54% increase from the 2,443 sales recorded in June of 2020. And that's an 11.9% decrease from the 4,268 homes that sold in May of 2021. There is a slight shift, there's no doubt about it. Last month's sales were 18.4% above the 10-year June sales average. According to Keith Stewart from the REBGV economist, Metro Vancouver's housing market continues to experience strong seller's market conditions, although the intensity of demand has eased from what we saw throughout most of the spring market. The past 2 months have shown a market that's shifting towards more historical typical conditions. There were 5,849 detached, attached, and condo properties newly listed for sale on the multiple listing service in Metro Vancouver in June of 2021. This represents a 1.1% increase compared to the 5,787 homes that were listed in June of 2020. But a 17.9% decrease compared to May of 2021 when 7,125 homes were listed. The total number of homes currently listed for sale on the MLS system is 10,839, a 5.1% decrease, compared to June of 2020, and a 1.2% decrease compared to May of 2021, where there was 10,970. With low interest rates, a growing economy, and an improving job market, the Metro Vancouver housing market continues to enjoy solid economic fundamentals. We're now seeing a market that's beginning to normalize from the torrid pace that we saw in the spring. This is making multiple offers less common, allowing subjects to be seen on offers more frequently again, and it's making new price records less likely. So for all property types, the sales to active listing ratio for June 2021 is 34.7%. By property type, the ratio is 27.5% for detached homes, 49.2% for townhomes, and 37.1% for apartments and condos. You can see where the market's at. Generally, analysts say downward pressure on home prices occurs when these ratios dip below the 12% for a sustained period of time, while home prices often experience upward pressure when it surpasses 20% over several months. The MLS Home Price Index Composite Benchmark price for all residential properties in Metro Vancouver is currently sitting at $1,175,100. This represents a 14.5% increase over June of 2020, but only a slight increase of 0.2% compared to May of 2021. Sales of detached homes in June 2021 reached 1,262, which is a 45% increase from the 866 detached sales recorded in June of 2020. The benchmark price for detached properties now is $1,801,000, which represents a 22% increase from June of 2020 and is virtually unchanged from May of 2021. Sales of condos reached 1,774 in June of 2021, and that's a 60.5% increase compared to the 1,105 sales in June of 2020. The benchmark price for a condo is now $737,600. This represents an 8.9% increase from June of 2020, but only a 0.1% increase compared to May of 2021. Attached home sales in June 2021 totaled 726, which is a 53.8% increase compared to the 472 sales in June of 2020. The benchmark price for an attached home, townhouse, duplex home is $946,000. That represents a 17.4% increase from June of 2020, but only a 1.1% increase from May of 2021. So these are just general statistics and the overall statistics. In every sub-area of every single city, prices change and things vary dramatically. So if you're looking to sell your home in any particular area of the Greater Vancouver area, the Fraser Valley, the Lower Mainland, hit the link below and we can provide you with those exact statistics. Now, if you live in the Fraser Valley, click this video up here and we have the statistics for June 2021 for the Fraser Valley and Lower Mainland. I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button. And if you really liked it, hit the like button. My videographer really likes that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.